It's the day of. My man's getting married here.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're out here. We're about to get married. I don't know.
Like, comment,
Casual
subscribe.
vlog.
Casual vlog.
Just getting married.
So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. What is it, Friday?
The 15th.
Friday the 15th, the day before Joe's wedding. Oh, no! Okay, well, I was about to say we're gonna go over here and get this gator.
He's probably coming after us, dude.
But we're gonna try and get close over here and see him. Dang, he was literally right there.
Names are made of. Cut to the music. Boom.
Spending not only our wedding day with us, but the entire weekend. You guys are fans. Here's to everyone here.
Price I pay, destiny is calling me. Open up my eager eyes. I'm Mr. Brightside.
To the dark.
To the dog!
To the dark.
To the dog!
Here we have an alligator.
Oh shit!
Shoot guns.
Yes!
There's a Marine!
Red, like all the way through there. Once you're good with it, down here, call them to pull it, but when you're going down. Oh, that was
Look at my glasses.
Wait, somebody should fire a skeet as we're shotgunning.
We're shotgunning while shotgunning out here, folks. The shotgun challenge.
You want me to go ahead and put my cufflinks on?
They just.
Terrible.
There we go. Hopefully that can pick it up in camera.
First, too. Yeah, I like the one there. It's so. Yeah. Get in there. Oh yeah. Woo!
Don't spill it on him!
Joseph, we're professionals.
Little one. Yeah, just walk down the aisle. Hey, play it.
Yeah.
Woo! Here we go.
The day
One
of.
small step for man, one huge step for me.
Big summer blowout. Big summer. We got the rest of the guys in the back.
Hey girl, I'm about to marry you!
Natural.
Not you. Not you. Not you. I'm sorry, I'm taken already.
Who's got a hair? What's going on?
You're taken too.
City, baby.
And Wade was like, go purge.
What's this?
This is Essentials. Joe's in here. It's crackers and fake cheese. So good.
We are moments away, folks.
Moments.
Moments away. Moments away from this special day.
Everyone check their zippers. Zipper checks.
Zipper
My
checks.
zipper was definitely
Kylo, is your zipper up?
They got the flower girl.
Flower girl. I put cookies in her basket.
Oh, perfect. All right. Boys, it's showtime. Cut to us actually doing the real footage. Hey. Guys, I did it. They're married.
Yes. This thing on?
Yep.
Thing on.
Material girl.
Back, girl. That's right.
And I
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And put your hands together. It's my honor to introduce you for the first time. The new Mr. and Mrs. Yates. Y'all come on in and make some noise.
This is the real video right here. We're getting all the raw content.
like I started licking my fingers.
Nice. Nice. The bug bites.
Really?
Oh my god. Oh.
Literally, don't text me. Okay, it's for Carry On to One. And then for CMA Fest this year, they're like, can you make 15 more jackets for Carry On to It? And I was like,
Money in the bank, watch his shoe, fetish lifestyle, so rich and famous. Robin Leach will get jealous half a
Like, I like doing like hood shit.
Hood rat shit with my friends.
Hood shit is fun. Carlos! Carlos, we need you! There's Lance. Lance!
You don't see the gator. Oh wait, I see a bunch of eyes. I'm back.
And there was some guy coming down the stairs and saying,
The after party.
And I said, I got
Double after party.